Have you ever sat down like this scrolling through videos na kuona watu wanaishi katika maisha yao ya ndoto waliotamani kuishi, and asking yourself, kama yule ingekuwa ni mimi? Let me tell you something real today. YouTube is no more for watching videos. YouTube is an opportunity. YouTube doesn't matter where you come from, fluently English or you don't know English. Just speak your language. It doesn't matter what you are doing. Furthermore, you are keeping the law and regulations of YouTube. You are following the rules of YouTube. Then you are good to go. Let me tell you the truth. In this life, no one will tell you do this or do that. It's you and you to decide. Of course, this is not my first YouTube channel. I'm telling you this because I've been going through a lot in this YouTube journey. That's why I decided to open this YouTube channel so that I can help those who wants to start and they don't know what or where to start or what to do. It may be the first time you see me right here. My name is Moses. That's why you see here, I have written here, grow with Moses. That's why I need us to grow together. So, YouTube doesn't care where you come from. YouTube doesn't care if you have equipment. YouTube doesn't care if your English is not perfect, or if your expressions are not perfect, or if you're not perfect, maybe I can say. So what YouTube cares is your story, your voice, and your consistency. So let me break it down a little bit for you to understand this. We are living in a time where your phone is your studio, where your idea is your business, and where your success is your consistency. People are making money. People are building their dream houses just because of YouTube, just because of posting, just because of being consistency, just because of the ideas. No time to waste. No time for waiting a good camera. No time for waiting a good microphone. Look at me, just using a lapel, and I'm shooting my video. I have post on YouTube. No time for waiting a better maybe a good studio. Just look at me. I'm shooting my video and I have posted on YouTube, waiting for you guys to see how I'm starting. How, even if maybe this video can take a while, and maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, but some people know how, at what time Moses started. And how did Moses started? So I'm just encouraging you guys to start posting, start your videos. Furthermore, you need to know some of the settings in the YouTube studio. But in my last video, I just posted a video about keywords. You know, keywords, those are things that you will know later. But the only thing you need to do right now, just build your idea, go to the field and press the record button. Remember, your first video, maybe it can be bad. Your second video can be worse. And maybe getting 5 views, 10 views. So don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Don't be demoralized. Okay? You just need to continue. You just need to be consistent. Look at me. In this video, you have seen me speaking 2 languages, my mother tongue language and this English. Maybe my English is not that perfect, but I hope people understand. I hope people get what I'm telling you. I hope people get what I'm speaking, you know. Let me give you another tip. In the content creation, please do what you like. Do what you like. Maybe if you're a musician, maybe if you want to tell us you're a storyteller, maybe if you're a chef, you know, do what you like. Show people how you cook. Show people how you can tell stories. Show people what your skills. Maybe if you're a footballer, then show people your skills, your foot, your dribbling, how you dribble. YouTube is an opportunity. Don't take YouTube for granted, guys. People are living their own life. People are living their dream life. People are building big houses. People are driving just because of YouTube. This is not lies, guys. This is not lie. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the facts. A niche is the type of content you do. Maybe a YouTube growth, like the way I'm telling you guys how to grow on YouTube. That's a niche. And maybe if you're a storyteller, that's another niche. And maybe if you know how to cook, that is another niche. So pick your niche. A niche will come depending on you, what you love to do. That's all for today, guys. Maybe this video has helped you somewhere. You can just press that like button and you press the subscribe button so that we can grow together. In the next video, I will go to show you how to get more subscribers, how to get more watching hours so that you can fulfill your dreams on YouTube. Goodbye.